In this very quick video guide, we're going to do a quick tour of Freepik, which is a really interesting website where we can get free stuff, freebies, and free videos, photos, and so on. Just going to go back here at the beginning. So this is the Google search. So you can search for Freepik and just click here on the first result. And this is the home page where you have a search bar. So you can click here and kind of filter up this search by using these buttons here. So you can search for videos, icons, photos, vector graphics. You also have like Photoshop, PSD format, and AI, Illustrator format. And then you have also here, if you go into more, you have also like flat icon, and then you have API 3D fonts, and also assets for Figma. And if you're interested in this software here and in general in graphic design, you will find other video guides and courses, specific courses for this software in the channel. So just look for it in the channel. Now, if we're looking for something in the specific here, we can just type, for example, Easter, and just start our search. So then we can decide if you want to take everything here, or if we want perhaps, instead of everything, we just want photos, or perhaps we want just videos. So we can click here, we can filter the search, and we can continue to look for something that we may like, we may need. So when I find something that I want, I can also download it. You need to make sure it's not premium. Otherwise, you need to create an account. And so if you want, you can go here and filter and see only the premium assets, or you can go here and click on the free button. So this is all the free assets that you can get from the website. And there's a lot of assets that you can get. Also, you have other filters like resolution, duration, aspect ratio, all these other that you may use. So if I click here, I want to download this video, I can just click on this green button here, and this is going to be 4K, so really high resolution. I can also download a preview if I'm not sure, and just click there, and it's going to open up this Windows folder or a folder where you need to download. So you just select a folder where you want to store it and just click on save, and that's it. The video or whatever asset you want is going to be downloaded. So it's really easy to use and contains a lot of really interesting assets that you can definitely use. And also you have some free tools to use the AI. For example, you have AI text to image, AI sketch to image, mockup generator, photo editor. So we have some additional tools we can use here. So this will be all for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, check out other courses in other websites, similar websites, and also where you can get like free content, free access to use on your website or your graphic design project, or your video montage, whatever. And this is all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed again, and so thanks for watching. Subscribe, join if you want to support us, and see you in the next video guide.